Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, now about Bitcoin miner complex slashes Axios 5 and virus 15% of top. US Bitcoin mining business complex mining fired 15% of its workforce and sold executive by a crypto firm taking their belts to keep up with plummeting Bitcoin price. The company said senior management could expect a price cut of as much as 50% as part of cost-cutting measures implemented because the firm grew too quickly and failed to deliver. The announcement follows the departure of the company's CEO and CFO last week after multiple setbacks and disappointment. In a blog post, Compass interim CEO and CFO Thomas Heller and Paul Goslar said, "As we pursue ambition, steady, and growth goal, we failed to deliver to the level of trust and service that made us successful in the first place. Given recent market downturn and anticipated future market conditions, we had to take a hard look at our spend and recalibrate for the future of the business. To our team, we know this is a difficult time for all of us, and we thank you for being willing to forage some short-term benefits to set Compass up for long-term success. We know there is fear, doubts, and uncertainty about our future. It comes after Compass faces association from crypto mining business dynamics mining that is always hundreds of thousands of dollars of fake energy bills. Compass denies the allegation, saying in a statement, many of Dynamics' statements on social media are completely incorrect, lack any factual support, and create further damage to Compass. Crypto companies have teetered on the edge of collapse after the price of Bitcoin fell among 40% in a matter of weeks. Almost 200 to 50 billion has been wiped off the value of crypto assets worldwide in the past month, according to data from CoinMarketCap. On Wednesday, New York-based cryptocurrency broker Voyager Digital filed for bankruptcy after suspending customer trading and withdrawals, while in June, Singapore-based crypto hedge fund 3 Arrow Capital went into liquidation after it failed to repay creditors, including defaulting on $675 million from Voyager. Register now for one of the evening standards newsletters from a daily news briefing to homes and property insight plus lifestyle goings on over and more. For the best stories in your inbox. Belgian-born Bitcoin core developer Peter Will is calling back his contribution of Bitcoin core. Nevertheless, he will continue contributing cash to the project and remains a key player in the Bitcoin ecosystem, given both his influence in the Bitcoin community and his role as Coinbase Labs. To be clear, I want some contribution to drop my formation. Okay, that's enough. Thanks for watching. I'm so sorry for mistake. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.